Imagine you are planning a big party. You have a list of what you want snacks, decorations, music, but to make it happen, you have got to figure out how much you can spend. That's exactly what a budget helps you do, but on a much bigger scale. A budget, especially when we talk about a government budget, is a bit like planning for a country sized party every year. It's a financial document prepared by the government to plan its expenditures and predict its revenues. The government's budget is like a plan for how to collect and spend money to run the country. It covers everything from building roads to schools to paying for healthcare and defense. The budget also helps the government take money through taxes and give it back through services and welfare, ensuring a fairer distribution of wealth. Imagine you have got rupees 100 for your party. If you spend rupees 120, you are in deficit. But if you spend only rupees 80, you are in surplus. The government aims for a balance but often ends up in deficit, meaning it spends more than it earns. To manage this, the government collects taxes like income tax or GST and sometimes borrows money which they have to pay back with interest. Think about a new playground in your neighborhood or a newly paved road. These are possible because of budget allocations. If the government decides to spend more on building hospitals, that's less they might spend on other things like sports facilities. Through its budget, the government can influence the country's economic health, aiming to stabilize the economy, reduce unemployment, or control inflation. It's a balancing act of getting the most out of its revenues without causing new problems like high inflation or excessive debt. So, next time you hear about the government's budget, think about how it's not just a bunch of boring numbers, it's a plan that affects everything from the roads you travel on to the schools you might attend and the parks you play in. It's about making sure our country's party is worth attending for everyone. Before we leave, here's a question for you. What is the primary purpose of the government budget? To plan national defense strategies, to regulate international trade, to plan and predict government expenditures and revenues, or to enforce laws uniformly across the country? Send us the answer in the comments section and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.